345 Technology is the #1 integration partner. What people often say to us though is, what is integration? Today we're going to answer that question. To us, integration is the movement of data between two or more systems. This can take a number of different shapes. For example, a system once a week dumping a file out that then gets absorbed into somewhere else. That's an integration scenario. Every day I load my data warehouse. That's an integration scenario. Every time I receive an order, that needs to go into my CRM. Or I've got an IoT device and 10 times every second that's transmitting temperature and pressure, and I need to capture all those. All of those are integration scenarios, right from the big, infrequent types of data drop through to the very frequent, very small, usually, types of data. Those are all integration scenarios. Another way of looking at it is, if you take a typical enterprise, you might have a point of sale that needs to align with the customers in your CRM. And when you've taken an order, that needs to go into your ERP so that stock can get allocated. And then after that, the ERP needs to tell the warehouse management system to dispatch those goods to the customer. And then periodically, the CRM needs to align and update the customers in the ERP. Each of these black boxes is an application, and they're either covered by app devs or their products. The red arrows between them, that's the movement of data, and that's integration.